In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email approval requests in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your marketing and then head over to your email. Now, once you're in there, you can head over and see the settings icon. So head over and click onto this settings or gear icon that will redirect us to the email settings. So here it is right here. So you can head over to the configuration and edit in here the data that you want. Alternatively, you can also click onto the search bar right here and search right here for approval. Once you have done this, you can head over and then turn back into the email that you want and then click onto the settings or setup icon from there. Now in here you can see the internal name and organize it and as well as office location. So for this, click onto this review option and publish it and wait for the actual admin to get back with you with an approval. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.